Welcome back again to my channel. Your girl is back again with another hair growth oil. So this hair growth oil is very powerful when it comes to growing your hair, and it's really gonna strengthen your hair. Okay, I'm gonna be putting you guys through of how I prepare this hair growth oil. I hope you guys like and enjoy this video. So my first ingredient here is going to be green pepper. Yes, green pepper is very beneficial when it comes to growing your hair, okay? When we include green pepper oil in our daily hair growth, the blood circulation is increasing significantly throughout our scalp and hair root. It will help to stimulate blood and help us to get long and faster hair growth. Green pepper is very great. It helps to strengthen your hair, to strengthen the root of your hair. It also contains natural silicone, so it's very great. Okay guys, if you have a green pepper at home, try and just prepare it the way I'm preparing it here, and you are going to get a very beautiful and long hair. Okay, so I'm gonna be cutting my large green pepper into my blender, and then I will be adding the next ingredient. So the next ingredient is going to be parsley. Parsley is also very great for hair. Parsley helps to promote hair growth, is solve common hair condition. It also fights hair loss. It treats and prevents dandruff. It also boosts hair growth and protects natural hair color. Great. So the next ingredient that I added was clove. Clove also helps to treat dandruff. It stimulates hair growth. It promotes a very faster hair growth. Okay, so clove is very good for hair. I guess you all already know a lot about clove. So clove is very a great properties, a great hair growth property. So after adding all these three ingredients in my blender, and I went ahead to add 1 cup of extra virgin oil. Guys, you can also switch the oil to your preferred oil. Okay, so if you prefer to use coconut oil, you can also just go ahead and use coconut oil, which is also fine. And then I blend all these ingredients together. So after blending everything together, so here is my paste, and now I'm gonna be putting it on my pan. I'm going to be frying it with a very low heat. Okay, I really don't want this oil to burn, because when the oil burns, it's really going to be smelling, so I really don't want that to happen. So you really have to reduce your fire at this point, okay, and just keep stirring this oil so that it doesn't burn. Okay, yeah. So if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. In this channel, I do a lot of things. I do a lot of DIY of how to grow your hair, natural eating, fashion, lifestyle, vlog, okay? So please subscribe if you're watching me for the first time. And you also drop me a comment if you have tried this DIY, this oil that I'm just making here. If you have used green pepper oil into your hair, also parsley. If you have used clove, of course, into your hair, just let me know in the comment section, guys. Okay, feel free to drop your girl some comments. Okay, yeah. So this is my oil. It has been frying for 10 minutes. Yeah, for 10 minutes. So now I'm going to be setting it aside. So I actually set it aside. It's already like 20 minutes cool down. Now I'm going to be separating the oil. Guys, in this case, if you're separating the oil, you really don't have to squeeze the sheaf cloth. You really don't have to squeeze your sheaf cloth, because if you squeeze it, the rest of the pepper and the parsley, like the liquid that we don't want, is gonna come out. Okay, so just try and squeeze it a little bit so that you don't get the rest of the stuff into your oil. And then voila, your oil will be ready. As you guys can see, it's very easy to make. Okay, It's not difficult. Just take all your ingredients together, blend them in the blender, and bring them to fire to cook for 5 to 10 minutes. And after that, your hair growth oil is ready to use. So this hair growth oil is so powerful. You can maybe later use this oil for hair butter. You can just transfer it to hair butter, or you can be applying this oil into your hair directly like that. Okay, so this oil is not for skin. Okay, it's just for your hair. If you prefer to use it for skin, you can also go ahead and use it for skin, but for me, I'm not using it for my skin. Okay, so I just create this oil for my hair growth, and then I went ahead to add more extra oil. This is optional for you guys. Okay, you don't need to add extra oil if you don't have them at hand. So I went ahead to add 1 spoon of Jamaica black castor oil, and then as well as 2 spoons of Amla oil. Guys, if you don't have Amla oil, it's also very fine. You don't need to add this oil that I'm adding. If you have like other oil like peppermint oil, or if you want to throw coconut oil inside, or any other kind of oil that you know that is good for you, that you have at hand, of course you can just go ahead and add this oil into it. Your hair growth oil is ready. As you guys can see, it looks so beautiful. It smells so good. Okay. I love the color because it's green. It's my favorite color. Yes, I love it. Absolutely love this oil. Okay, so I hope you guys give this oil a try. Just drop me a comment down below if you really want to grow your hair. Try and be doing DIY stuff, guys. They are really helping. Of course, while using all this oil, you just have to be consistent with them, and you have to be patient. Okay, our hair do grow. Be patient with your hair. Spray a lot of water. Use oil. You can actually use this oil for a braid, for cornrows, for any hairstyle that you have, basically, and it's really going to work for you. So guys, I was at my previous video, I actually make a video about Amla oil. So when I had to get another Amla oil, so as you guys can see, my Amla oil is kind of different. It's kind of you have different color, but I don't obviously know what the different work they are doing, but for me, I just feel like they both work amazing. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today. I hope you guys like and enjoy this video. If you know you do, please do not forget to give your girl some like. Keep loving your girl. Okay, subscribe to my channel if you have not. In the meantime, hope to catch you all on my next one. Much love. Bye bye.